So they're doing the noise campaign today. Um, they're also manipulating my sinuses, drying out my chest. I'm on my last class, and I probably could have been finished studying and took the exam early, but they are the government, the FBI, the CIA. I'm not gonna say they, the sheriffs, the Freemasons, pedophiles of the world, are the military, DARPA. This is their system. Um, they're doing a noise campaign right now. With each and every creak you hear, they are constantly hitting me with the sonic propulsion technology and the direct energy weapon. I'm trying to make sure it's quiet in here.